kind of has no fear, and she said, you know, she's
Bye-bye.
running, you know, the way she runs at you and expects you to catch her.
Yeah. Bye-bye, Erin.
Bye-bye.
See ya. Bye.
She said she hit her head right off her...
Oh, you hurt your toe?
Look, is it better? Let me see.
Should have had your slippers on, see?
All better. Is it all better? Be
Careful, be careful, that's right.
Bye!
See you in the morning. Bye. See you in the morning, baby. Close the door, that's it.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, hiya.
Hi, Erin, how are you?
Morning.
Morning, Erin. Morning, Erin.
We're going to put your shoes on. Are they Mummy's shoes?
My shoes.
They're your shoes. Cool.
Do you want to sit in your seat? Here we go. Are they Erin shoes?
They're nice. Are they new ones? Who bought you they ones? What colour are they? They're not blue. They're not yellow. No, they're not blue either. What colour are they? Not yellow, no. Bed. You going to bed? Bed. You going to bed?
Clever girl.
You going to bed?
Red.
Bed. Okay. Night night. See you in the morning.
No, Daddy, red. Not bed, red.
Red.
That's right.
They're not
No,
blue.
there's nothing blue here, really.
Yellow.
They're not yellow, no.
What colour's your seat?
Blue.
No.
No, it's not blue.
Yellow.
Not yellow.
Pass. Pass.
Pass. You don't know. You can't pass.
What colour is your seat?
I'll choose two.
A tissue
Okay.
for your nose.
Cats.
The couch.
For the couch. Does the couch need its nose wiped?
Will Mummy get it?
I'll get the hat.
I'll get it.
I did it.
I'll get it.
I did it. I did it. I did it. I'll do that.
You've got it.
You got it. Erin got it.
Aha. Reach.
What's happened to your hair?
Reach.
The wipes.
Okay.
No, tissue's okay.
Let's kiss you.
Tissue for the couch.
Okay. No, cat. No.
Naughty.
Naughty couch.
Uh-oh. Popo.
Oh, wet. Okay.
Will you wipe your nose?
No.
Why? I'll wipe it.
No.
Daddy, wipe your nose.
No. Mommy, your nose.
Mummy, wipe your nose.
Daddy, your nose.
My nose is fine, actually. I don't need nothing wiped. All done.
More.
All done.
No, cat. More.
More. Okay.